In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download view-only Google Drive videos with the latest method that's currently working. Before we get started, a quick note. This is for educational purposes only. Make sure you have permission from the file owner before downloading any content. Respect copyright and the terms of service of any platform you use. So, let's begin. First, open your browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in How to Download View-Only Google Drive Videos Latest Update and hit Enter. You should see several results, including guides, tools, and tutorials related to this exact topic. What we're looking for is a method or tool that clearly mentions it works with view-only Google Drive videos and indicates that it's up to date. Click on a trusted result with recent information. Ideally, choose a guide or tool that has been updated within the last few months, has clear instructions, and looks reputable. Avoid anything that seems suspicious, overloaded with pop-ups, or asks for unnecessary personal information. You should never need to provide your Google password or any sensitive details to a third-party site just to download a video. Once you've opened a reliable guide, take a moment to read through the instructions from top to bottom before doing anything. This will help you understand the entire process and avoid mistakes halfway through. Most methods will involve copying the share link of the Google Drive video. To get that, open the view-only video in Google Drive. Click the Share button and copy the link provided. Make sure the link is the one you'd normally share with others to view the file. Next, go back to the tool or guide you selected and look for a field where you can paste that link. Paste the Google Drive video link there carefully. Then follow whatever button or action the guide describes, like Generate, Fetch, or Download. Some tools may take a few seconds to process the video, so be patient and avoid clicking multiple times. When the tool provides a download option, choose the format and quality you want, usually MP4 at a resolution that works for your device. Click Download, and your browser should start saving the file to your computer. Once it finishes, open the video from your Downloads folder to make sure it plays correctly. That's the full process, from search to download, using the latest available methods while staying safe and responsible online.